Hello, I'm Jim Kelly with Saddle Point Systems, and I'm here to show you how to make photo books using the SilverStrike stitcher. It makes a real professional photo book, and it's quite simple. The trick of it is to use this special end leaf that is a folded sheet of paper, heavy paper, with a glued on cloth tab, and that makes the photo book come out okay, and I'll show you how that works. So this stitcher is adjustable back and forth, so you can staple deeper or more shallow. What you want to do is line the pages up very neatly, and I'm going to start at the 0 mark here and make sure they're all lined up perfectly. And I'm just going to go an inch at a time. We don't need all these staples, but if we're doing a high-end photo book, why not? It also makes the book look like it's sewn. So I've run out of my inch numbers down here, so I'm going to go to the 0 mark on the other side there and do the final stitch. That puts it right next to the edge. And if you look at those staples, they are truly perfect. They're exactly where I want them. They don't go through my end leaf paper, which is important because when the book opens up, it's going to open up completely clean. And yet the book's never going to come apart on you. So that's it for making the book block. And then to put it together, you can get fancy. We sell this headband material that comes in strips like this, and you can cut it to length and just peel off the release liner, and that's adhesive. And so I'm going to just stick that up here to make it look like a sewn book, because in a way it is sewn with those staples. Do the other one. Put it right there. So now we're going to have that effect just for looks. And then I'm going to put it together into a hardcover. And this is a Powis hardcover that we sell. Very easy way to make a hardcover book. And what I'm going to do, there's this hardcover guide. I put the book block in there, and it tells me that I need an A size hardcover. So the hardcovers come in different thicknesses. So here's an A size cover. It goes into the hardcover guide, clips in place so it doesn't move. And then, if I want to be real careful, and I do, I'm going to peel this strip back just a little bit to expose some of the pressure sensitive adhesive. And then drop this in here against these plastic pieces, because that sets it off just where you want it. Push that down and that sticks. Peel this end leaf release liner off. And then I just close the book up, going up against the purple guides. And that does my hardcover. Peel off the rest of that release liner and let it close down. And here's what we get. So again, it's a perfect book, and it's never going to come apart on you. The limitation is you can't do too thick a book because we're stapling through those pages. And if they're glossy pages, they get harder and harder to staple. The SilverStrike will staple through about 1/3 of an inch of just regular bond paper and less of regular paper. But that's it. That's the hardcover. And then you can decorate the cover by foil stamping on it, or you can make a dust jacket and just wrap it around. That's the SilverStrike and hardcover making. Thank you.